so funny. You're like, we hate it, Mom. Romeo. Okay. I love them because they'll follow me anywhere, even if they hate it. You're so good. I think once again Wicket is eyeing the shallower ground. Wicket, did you give up? Wicket, no fair! He's like, screw this! I hate it! Come on, guys. Come on. No more deep snow. I know you don't like it. It's like, I'll lead the way, guys. You really don't like the snow. At least not the deep, deep snow.